It's closed, but we can still peek in the window. We are at Bush Park. That's the art barn. This is the Bush House. And this is the greenhouse. And Tessa's, of course, examining the plants. And there's various sitting gardens here. If you want to have a quiet place to meditate. This tree is trained. Oh, there's a squirrel. That's me, squirrel. This tree is trained to grow along a fence and a wire. There's a wire in there with that metal stake. This whole side trail has that tree, the various trees growing along it. It's just beautiful.
Look how it blooms on the underside.
The hospital, Salem Hospital is through there. And then Willamette University Stadium is through there. They do the, you see that trail through those trees? That's where they do the soapbox derby. That's Mission Street over here. Through that tree, you can see a parking lot. That is Mission Street. And then we accessed the park this direction off of High Street. There's a parking lot. Towards the tulips. More benches. What app are you using, Tessa?
It's called, oh wait, let me find, Picture This. And you can take pictures of plants and it helps you to identify it.
Well, that's very cool. Rose bushes. Later in the summertime, people come here to see the roses. But there are benches and tables throughout Bush Park. There's a gazebo over there in the distance. You've got lots of places if you want to come bring your family down to take family photos. Tessa's giving us pop quizzes.